Joining us now to get ahead of it is Constellation Research CEO and Futures Forum founder CEO, Wang. Ray, great to see you. Thank you so much for being here. What are your expectations for Nvidia tonight?
Well, they've had 6 beats in quarters. They're 21 out of 23 quarters they've had beats. I think that's going to continue. But the main thing is what's going to happen after the next set of chips? What happens after inference? That's going to be part of the big deal.
What do you mean?
Well, the question is there's other competitors in the marketplace, but there seems to be so much demand. They're able to actually go out and beat that. And so what we're looking for are quarters where not just you're going to see another $1 trillion in commitment on CapEx out to 2030. It's the question as to what does that CapEx look like?
China story, though, right?
Yeah, there's also a China story, and I think that's really important. Did we cut deals for H200 chips, or what's going to be next? What's China going to buy? That was about $10 billion in business when they were when they actually had the China business in play.
Adam, you own Nvidia. You've owned it for a long time.
Own it. Have been adding to it. Absolutely love it. The amazing thing about Nvidia, Ray, and I'd love your thoughts on this. They stopped giving guidance or stopped including Chinese sales in their guidance, and yet guidance is still up 60-65%. What do you think it would be if China sales really do get back into the mix in earnest?
Well, I think it'd probably be up to 80 to 90% on the guidance because it's, I mean, you look at $10 billion quarters on China sales, there's such a huge demand for Nvidia chips. We're like 2 to 3 generations ahead. And so I think with that guidance, you could easily get to $6 trillion at 250 on the stock.
Wow. And you continue to see this money moving into the data center build out. Is that going to be the main story in terms of guidance tonight when he talks about the hyperscalers and beyond?
I think he's going to talk about more about physical AI. He's going to talk about sovereign AI. Every country wants to have their capabilities. That's a whole market that's about to explode. And of course, the physical AI and the robotics, which we saw at NVIDIA GTC, that's a big area for them.
Yeah, it certainly feels like this runway is long.
I mean, the AI story is what is keeping this market on fire right now, despite, I guess, the danger zone that we're seeing in the treasuries market, which is what Maria was highlighting a moment ago.
Well, exactly. And we're inning 3 of a 9-inning game in terms of AI. The next piece is all going to be software once we get past the inference, once we get past where we are on the physical AI.
It certainly is a good backdrop for all these IPOs that are coming, right? It's going to be the year of the mega IPO. SpaceX, OpenAI, Anthropic, all likely to go public this year. And SpaceX could come as soon as June 12th, we're told. We know that Goldman Sachs got the lead banker position in the deal on SpaceX's IPO. What's your take on this upcoming IPO? You think that this would lead to a potential merger between Elon Musk's companies?
You might see that, right? You might see that. We've got defense, we've got AI, we've got launch capabilities and the rockets all in one place. So there are very few companies. Now you get the manufacturing side in terms of Tesla, then you've actually the complete piece. And they could probably do that after the IPO, just like they're looking at buying Cursor, which is the AI piece, the codings tool, right after the IPO. So, I mean, it's a $2 trillion IPO. The prospectus might even show up today.
Wow, yeah. So you're waiting on the prospectus potentially today.
But here's the thing. They beat Anthropic and OpenAI out the door.
Yeah. Unbelievable. And you're probably going to hear Jensen tonight talk about partnerships and deals of his own, right? He's done a lot of acquisitions.
They have put into every part of the ecosystem, from communications and photonics all the way to software, all the way to robotics. They have investments all across every part of what they plan to be part of.
What are some smart investment strategies that our viewers should consider right now from your standpoint?
Well, I think right now, think about other assets, the physical assets that are out there, what's going on in water, what's going on in land. That real estate development that's going on in data centers is going to continue for quite some time. That's not going to change. And then I think on the other piece is energy. Where can we find the energy sources of the future? Renewables are part of it, but there's still a lot to do in the carbon market. And of course, we're going to see a lot in terms of energy providers. We saw that big energy merger last week with Constellation.
Is it too late to get into Nvidia right now? Would you buy the stock before the earnings?
I think we can get this thing to about $300, $325. So I think you got to about $6.5 trillion market cap.
Oh my goodness! Come on, we're already $5 trillion. You're looking for $6.5 trillion now.
I think that's the peak. That's the cap.
Ray, thank you so much. Ray Wang joining us. We'll be right back.